Hi team. Today we will discuss release strategy. Okay, so this release strategy is approval process for purchasing documents to control the procurement process. Okay, so this always we have to configure as per the business requirements. Okay, so we'll first see the business requirement and then we'll configure accordingly. Okay, so let's say this is one of my business requirement, that is whenever purchase group is RIS and purchase org is RISC and the total order PO. Okay, this we are configuring, this list strategy we are configuring for PO. Okay, so let's understand now. Okay, so this is the one strategy per PO. Okay, whenever purchase group is RIS, purchase org is RISC, and total order value of the PO lies between 1001 to 2000. Okay, so if only purchase engineer releases, then total PO should get released. Okay, this is the one business requirement or project requirement. Okay, so and in the second case, whenever purchase group is this and purchase org is RISC, and when the net value lies between 2001 to 3000, okay, it should ask these two people to release. Okay, if these two people gets releases, then total PO should get released. Okay, so and if the third scenario, okay, if the purchase group is this and purchase org is this, and if the value is greater than 3000. Okay, so here in this case, these four people should release, and then after this final release, total PO should get released. This is the scenario. Okay, based on this, we need to configure. To configure this, first we need to create characteristics, class, and we need to follow all these steps. Okay, to create a release strategy. Okay, so first we'll create a characteristics. What do you mean by characteristics? In the sense, based on the requirement, we have to create a characteristics. Here our requirement is whenever purchase group is this, purchase org is this, and net value is this. Hence, these three will act as a characteristics. To create a characteristic, system will ask table name as CEKQ. Means CEKQ is the table name for purchase order and C is for communication structure. Okay, means to link EKQ communication. Okay, so CEKQ table you have to use to link your this group with the purchase order. Okay, so and field name it will ask. Field name, if you don't know what is the field name for purchase group, purchase or net value, you can get it using the T code SC11. Okay, for purchase group, field name is EKGRP. We'll create a characteristics. Okay, we'll go to the system and we'll create characteristics. We'll go to first SPR path. Okay, go to reference IMG. Okay, materials management, purchasing, okay guys, here we need to go to purchase orders. Since we are doing it for purchase order, okay. So release procedure, characteristic, give the characteristics name. Okay, I'm giving CKKO. Field name for purchase group is EKGRP. As I already told, just create. Okay, give the field name. Sorry, this what you are creating. Okay, that name you can give. Purchase group or PO I'll give. So data type is important for any character. Means what it is. Okay, so we know already purchase group can be created with alphanumeric. Okay, hence, so if you choose number, so if you create using letters, it won't take. Okay, both can be handled by your character char. Okay, so means both alpha and numeric it will handle. Okay, we know maximum 3 letters it will allow system to create a purchase group. Hence, I'm limiting this number of characteristics for 3. If you want to use this character for multiple purchase groups, you can choose multiple values and then go to additional data tab. Here use the field, okay, table name, what I told you. Okay, so table name CKKO and field name is EKGRP for purchase group. Okay, it should be EKGRP. Okay, just press enter. So this message should come. Okay, so then go to restrictions. You can add the restriction as class type per release is 032. Then save it. All right. Okay, then two more we have to create for purchase org and net value. So we'll create it for purchase org. EKORG is the field name. Okay, then create here purchase organization per PO will create. Again, data type is important. So purchase org can be created by alphanumeric. Okay, so maximum 4 letters SAP will allow. If you want to use it for multiple, choose multiple, choose the table name. EKORG is the field name for purchase org. And this guys, if you want to restrict only for the tab name itself is the restrictions. Only if you want to restrict this character for release, then you can maintain. Okay, so let's see. Okay, always whenever you create, just save the data. Okay, one more we have created is EKGRP. Okay, two character. Third we will create for net value. Field name is GNETW. Just create. Okay, give the proper description. Choose. See, this total value of the order of the PO comes under currency. Okay, so we have to choose data type as currency. Then how much number? Maximum it will allow 15. Which currency we are using? If you want to use it for multiple value, interval values like greater than, equal to, okay, from this to this, like 1001 to 2000. If you want to use these values, then you have to enable this interval values. Okay, again go to additional data tab here, choose table name, G and ETW is the field name. So I'll not maintain restrictions. Let's see. Okay, still it will accept for this. Okay, so this will not maintain, but still early strategy you can configure. Just save it. Okay, so 3 characters we have created. Then next step is we have to create a class. GNETW is the third character. Then we have to create a class and club them in the class. Okay, add them. So just go back here, edit class. So can give any name. Okay, so PO release class I'll give. Okay, class type you know already for release strategy it is 032. Okay, so you can use this create or hit enter. See, it will ask description. Okay, PO release class, and just go to character. Here add all these characters. You can copy at a time and paste here. Just paste. Okay, and hit enter. The saved. Okay, class is used to just combine your club together your or group together your characteristics. Group together is a better word. Okay, then go to define release procedure for purchase order. Okay, in that we have to first create release groups. If already release groups are created in the system, just you can delete them. Okay, means SAP will allow only one class at a time. Okay, per PO. Hence, you can delete remaining. Okay, as of now, I don't have any. I'll give the release group code as 10 and PO. What's the class name? Release class. Okay. I'll copy and paste here also. And this description is for release group. Okay. Hit enter. See, if it has taken capital means it has accepted the value. Just save it. Okay. Release group we have created with 2-digit code, that is 10. Then we have to create release codes. What are all the codes we have to create? These are the codes. P, PO, these 4. Okay. So can copy better. Save it. Go back. Okay. Then we have to create a release codes and assign it to the groups. Okay. So by default, we already have these many. You can delete this. Say it first. Okay. Go to new entries. Add the group name, release group name, code. Okay. P for purchase engineer. Okay. P, PO, PH and FH. Okay. Our group name is same. We are using only one group now. Description is this one, purchase engineer. Okay. This one is purchase officer. This one is purchase head. Okay. This is FH, factory head. Okay. Means business is asking these 4 people. Okay. Okay. So hence we are maintaining this here. This is the business requirement. Okay. P, PPO, PPO, PH and FH. Okay. 4 people it is asking. Hence we'll maintain 4 and assign it to the group. Okay. Release group. Then save it. Okay. So codes were created. Okay. This one empty it is. You can delete it. Okay. That's saved. Go back. Then release indicator. Okay. By default release indicator is there. Okay. System is already created. So means you are allowing to edit. Okay. So these are the changeability indicators. There are various types of changeability indicators are there. Like, you cannot change, you can change, but it will not fetch new strategy. Okay. It will allow you to change. Okay. So it will ask you to release whenever you fetch a new strategy, like those are there. Okay. So you can maintain 4 here and I'll maintain some percentage as 10 and just save. Okay. And go back. Means you can enter also only 1%, not done anything which you require. Okay. It's up to you how you want this. Okay. If you want to allow to change, if you don't want to allow, then you can maintain 1 also. That's not an issue. Okay. Maintain 1. Means no changes. Then go back. This all requirement you will get from the business. Then go to release strategies. Okay. You can delete already existing ones if you don't want them to use. Okay. Say it first. Okay. We have 3 scenarios. Hence we have to create 3 strategies. Okay. S1, S2, S3 will create. Go to new. Our release group is 10. I'll create S1. Okay. The very first condition is whenever value lies between 1001 to 2000. Simple. Okay. So who needs to release in this case? This person needs to release. Only one person business is asking. Hence I'll add only one release code. Okay. So press enter. Here only one person is there. By default that is mandatory. Okay. No option for him. Hence no box will come. Then go to release status. If it does not release, it is B. If you want to make it as R, you can make it. Okay. Released. Then continue. Go to classification. Here Classification. All right, guys. Okay, then go to, we entered wrong class. Okay, that's the reason error came. Okay, maintain correct class. Then go to classification. See here, it is asking the values now, which purchase group you want to create. Okay, so code it is asking RISC. And here, what's your first condition? 1001 to 2000 it is. Okay, then enter. Use these keys to go to next screen. Save first. Okay, then go to release simulation. Simulate release. Double click. It means your configuration is correct. Save it. You can save one more time. It's already saved. Go back. We have to create one more strategy now. Okay, S1 we have created. Second we'll create S2. For S2, what's the condition? Whenever price is this. Okay, 2001 to 3000. And who should release in this case? These two should release, P and PO. Means purchase engineer and purchase officer. Okay, press enter. Go to release prerequisites. If you want to make this PO, okay, mandatory. Okay, means after release, this person release, then he should release next. Okay, just enable this box. Then go next. Go to release status. See, if nobody release, blocked. If only one release, blocked. If two releases, then you can make this indicator as R. Means R is also indicator is there. Then go to classification. Okay, again maintain the values here. This time it is 2001 to 3000. Okay, just give one space here between dash. It will accept the values. Then go to next screen. Save first. Okay, it has saved. Here simulate release. Just check if it is working fine or not. It is working fine. Okay, so strategy 2 we have created. Then we have to create third strategy. Whenever value is greater than 3000. Go back. Okay, 2 are done. Third will create 10. S3, this time it is greater than 3000. Okay, who should release in this case? These 4 people. Business is asking. That's the requirement. Simply maintain those 4 people. Hit enter. Okay, if you want to this sequence only, this person release first, this next, after this person next. Just maintain all these boxes. If you want to follow the hierarchy, this one. If you want to do reverse, then maintain this. Okay. So here I'll use R indicator means whenever it get released, it will give the R indicator, simple, instead of G. Then go to classification, maintain the values, means conditions we need to maintain, what scenario or condition. Okay, so you are allowing here we are using 3001. If it is greater than 3000, it should ask, okay, these 4 people to release, simple. Okay, use this. And first save first, then go to simulate release, check if it is working fine or not. This is a kind of virtual release before actual release. Okay, so you configured. Finally we have to configure the workflow. Okay, see, against group, maintain the code. Okay, here choose the user US and give the SAP user ID, simple. Okay, and just save it. So we have to test now. Whenever you create a PO with these parameters, okay, so it should ask only this person to release, simple. Okay, we'll create a PO. All right, okay, just give the vendor name. So our data purchase group, we have to use RIS to test if you want to test now itself. Okay, RIS purchase org, we have to use RISC, purchase group RIS. RIS, you can choose any, okay, material as you like. Okay, I'll create for 10, let's say. Okay, see here. Okay, so 10 quantities, if it is less than 1000, it should not ask any release, right? That's the agenda. Then enter. So we'll check the total value and everything we have entered correctly. Okay, purchase group also we have entered, purchase org also we have entered. Okay, we'll check first. See, now total order value is 500 rupees. Okay, so how to check? Can check in the condition tab, final price. Okay, see here 500. So it should not ask any release if I save this. I'll save this. Okay, this is the PO number 17494. Okay, 17494 is the PO number. So T code to release purchase order is ME29N. So it should not ask any release now. Okay, so choose our purchase order. This is not ours. Okay, this is 4500017494. Enter. Observe here, guys. Okay, there is no any release strategy tab is coming now. Okay, so that is one case. Then we'll create a purchase order for which value is more than this. Okay, more value is 1000 to 2000 will create. Okay, and we'll check who system for whom it will ask to release. Okay, so quantity, I'll choose 100. Net price, we'll see if it is taking automatically or not, or else you can change the price to match the total order quantity of the PO or material. Okay, so net price by default it is taking, okay, 50 rupees. Now 50 into 100 is 5,000 now. Okay, so we need 1,000 to test. We need for to, if you want to test this as one, we need to have a price between 1,000 and 2,000. Then we need to adjust here. Okay, so how much? 25. Okay, I'll enter 25. See now, 1250 is the total PO value. Okay, save this. Okay, so same number will generate next 5. Okay, so we'll go and see which it will ask for which person now. It should ask only P, not all 4. Okay, so it has created. Go to release of the POT code. Okay, just change the PO number here. Even though we entered, it is taking the old value. Enter one more time and hit enter. See here, guys. Okay, since PO value is between 1,000 and 1 to 2,000, so it is asking only P to release here. Can you see release strategy tab has come here? Means it is fetching the release now. Okay, just open the header here. Okay, if I release this, the total POs get released. Okay, save it. We have tested second scenario now. Okay, we'll test third one. The value is between 2,001 to 3,000. Okay, system should ask these two persons to release. We'll see. Okay. You can also create, guys, quickly here. We option means you need to enter all this. Okay, just go here, go to my purchase orders. Means if you already created your own just now. It's here. Okay, so here 945. Okay, so this you can use. Adopt this. All this here automatically it will come as per this. Okay, so you can adjust the price now. So I'll enter now 50. This now it is now my value somehow it lies between. What's the second scenario? 2,000 to 3,000. Okay, so then only it will fetch two persons. We'll check what's the total PO value. Still 1750. See here. Okay, 2250 is there now. Save it. Okay, so this is the next PO number. See here. Okay, 17496. Then go to release. If you want to go to, once you go to release, system should ask these two persons. Remember. Okay, so choose our PO number, enter. Still it has not taken. Just change one more time and hit enter. Observe, guys, here. Okay, since the value is between 2001 to 3000. Okay, 2250 is there, and Purchase group is RIS, purchase org is RISC. Okay, this is the condition. Based on that, it is asking these two persons to release. So once these two see here, if this person until releases, he doesn't get any release option now. See here. Okay, this has to first release. Okay, save. Once he releases, here indicator has changed to release, save it. Okay, that's the third scenario. First scenario created for less than 1,000. Okay, so means we are not created, but so if you create PO, it won't ask any release. Simple. Then last one. Okay, if the value is greater than 3,000, it should ask these four persons. Okay, again same thing you can do against referencing documents. You can create easily. Okay, here we need to make somehow the value should go greater than 3,000. Okay, if I make 100, it will go. I'll try to make 80. So if I make 80, it is okay 4,000. It is greater than 3,000, right? So let it be and save it. So now the PO number it should generate is next number, obviously. Okay, 97. So now if I go to release decode, it should ask these four people because the value is greater than 3,000. Okay, see here 17497. So I'll go to release decode, Me29N. As soon as I go there and choose my PO number, okay, 97. See guys here. Okay, 80 quantities we have chosen. Our price is 4,000, right? So it is asking as per our strategy only. It is asking P, PO, PH, and FH. 4 persons it is asking. See here. See, until this releases, these people does not get any release notification also. These people doesn't able to release also. Simple. They don't have any option to release. So see, those boxes will control this here. Until this releases, these two people cannot release. So still the PO status is blocked. Okay. See, if I release this person, panel this person if releases, see here. PO status is released. That's it, guys. Thank you.